Hello guys, it's African World Traveler again, here in Berlin, man. African World Traveler in the war zone. Look at the tanker there. I'm in the war zone, guys, in Berlin. I'm joking, guys. No more war, guys. No more war between the East and the West Germans. So they're all one now. I believe they're all united. So yeah, this is what you got here. We've been there earlier. If you look at my other videos, it depends which videos you watch first. But yeah, here we are, the tankers. It's our old memorial place. It's a lot of holiday makers in the middle of a traffic, guys. There's a busy traffic here. Look what you find there. That's the tower gate, guys. That's the gate there. Brandenburg Tower Gate. That was the gate between the East and the West Germans. So I'm just facing the back of it, the gate. So I'll show you what you find at the back. Let's zoom in. So we're gonna head that way to find our train station, our train, to get back to our hotels. So this is how it looks like. Let's zoom out. I'm right maybe like a couple of hundreds of meters away. It's very windy, guys, so walking toward that. Oh, I can't see it now. It's further this way. So we've been there. So if you keep on looking at my videos, you will see what I meant. Is that there? That's a traffic van, isn't it? Speed vans and that. Unless that camper van is being pulled. That camper van must be pulled. So look at it there, man. Look how they do their house clearance or house move through in a pickup. So Germany is different, guys. I believe everywhere you go in this world, everything is different. Everything is done differently. So now we're going to walk toward the tower gate, the Brandenburg Tower Gate. So there's a military war memorial. It's a lot behind it, but we couldn't get to there because time doesn't allow us. So we're gonna head toward our train station. It's only one stop away from my hotel, so it's not that far. So guys, I will see you in the Brandenburg Tower Gate. See you in a bit. So guys, instead there's a change of plan. I believe that's gonna be an interesting place to see. We can't miss this place. It's right ahead of us. So what we're gonna do is a diversion. So we're gonna go to this place. I'm sure I've shown you in some videos. It's like a nice place. People sit around and it's a very amazing lighting at night or when it's dark. But yeah, but for now we're gonna walk toward there, then from there we'll get to our normal direction. So let's go. So all this was gated up, but I can see like they kind of taking the gates off. It must have been something going on before. See, they're trying to get the gates off. So yeah, it's busy, still busy. A lot of people here. People walk till they're tired. Look and see, they're changing their shoes there, or they're trying to get their feet, get some air, trying to give their feet a bit of a breather. Women, they're always wearing something uncomfortable. They always struggle with shoes, you know. Oh, the Dutch folk. Okay. The Dutch folk. Let's see what's going on in here. Let's see what going. You have to wait. It's traffic. Information. It's not a free entrance, is it? There's a queue there. People have to pay to get in. It's no point for us to pay to get in because we're not going to be allowed to use our camera. Let's go around and take a picture. So a queue to get tickets. I think we're seeing a lot of places now, so we can just head back and there's people right at the top of the glasses over there. Let me try and zoom in, see if you guys see. There's people walking on top there. Wow. It's well secure as well. You got the police inside. You got the police in there. Not a security guard, but a police officer. Must be a well secured place. People and Parliament, 75 years living democracy. German history in the East and West. A film and light show 23rd of May to the 3rd of October 2024 starting at dusk at the Renstag Gufa. Right. Okay. See the police officer there? Right. There's a lot of filming, man. I did a lot today. I did a lot of filming today than yesterday. Wow. And actually it's my last day here before we head back. And it's still busy. There's a lot of people about, a lot of people still coming. A lot of tourists. Oh, Berlin must be generating a lot of money, man, just for this historical buildings and monuments, museums, parliaments, name it. Imagine how many tourists comes to visit these places. Wow. Should generate billions and billions, man. It's a lot of money. See all these buildings and everything. Alright. So let's go. I'm getting tired. I need some food. I need some water. Name it, I need it all. I even need a massage. But I'll spare that till I get back home. Yeah. So guys, you see, it goes on and on, man. It's never ending. It's a lot to do. So it goes on and on and on. You will film a whole day without finishing, man. There's a lot to see. And there's a lot to film in Berlin. See that? I thought I was just gonna make my way to the hotel, get the train to the hotel, but still a lot to do, man. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, people sit around. It's nice view and nice lighting at night. Just right there, you can watch the boats going through the river or canal. We're just gonna take you there. Let's go. It's a lot to see, guys. Yeah, I saw that in the video. People just sit on the edge. I wish I've done that last night. I wish I'd been here last night, man. Would have been a nice view. See there. Wow. See, that's why people sit at night. The lights will pop out, flashing. People sit on the edge of the stairs and watch the boats going past through. So we just wait for one. Oh God. Yeah, there's one coming there. Let's wait for that one. Let's wait for that one. And then we can head back. Let's wait for that one there. Right. Guys, look what we got here. A big teddy. A big teddy bear. It must be a massive teddy bear. The biggest ever. A giant teddy bear, man. Massive. It's coming toward me. It's gonna box me. It's gonna box me. Money for honey. Right. He's the biggest monster. You're gonna take a picture.
Y ahora mire para acá. Vamos a hacer, hay mucha gente, pero vaya.
Guys, it's a bit of entertainment here with the teddy bear. Big massive bear. Big bear, that, isn't it? Who's gonna have him for to be our teddy bear? It'll be well cuddly, you know. If you're missing a guy for a cuddle, here he is. Hello. He said he wants money for honey. Hello, he wants money for honey. Are you with him? Are you with him? Is that your husband?
Yes.
He is. He's good. Is he big like the way he is?
Yeah.
He must be very cuddly then at night. You're not gonna get cold, are you?
Photo, you have to give us some tips.
You're not gonna get cold, are you? No, he's gonna keep you warm. That's good. All right, thank you. All right. Mine just interrupting of me filming. Say what? If you take a picture, you have to give a tip. You don't tell me what to do. What's wrong with these people, man? I do it in my own will. I don't get told what to do.
No, they work.
I don't get told what to do, mate.
Free aid.
I don't get told what to do. Thank you very much.
Understand.
Yeah, I don't get told what to do.
Yeah, but if you
No,
make a
I don't
photo,
get told what to do.
They do that
You-
to make
you-
a bit of a living.
Yeah, you mind your
understand?
business.
No.
You do what you gotta do, all right? I don't get told what to do. Thank you very much.
Well, if you make a photo, you have to give us some money. They don't live on fresh air.
Guys, we just gotta keep it positive. Mine is a negative vibe. So we don't need no negative negative vibe on us, man. Let's just keep moving. But anyway, let's go. I think it's been a long day actually. Somebody got a drone. Somebody flying a drone. Hope we don't get in trouble, man. Some countries got restricted with some drone. He's got his drone there. He's got to be careful. Right. So guys, it's been a far too long of filming, guys. Is there anywhere we can get something nice to eat? And then head home and have a shower and chill. Oh, it's a bit of entertainment, but we don't want to get done for copyright, so we'll just give it a miss. Just take a quick picture or quick glance and get our train back. Right. Yeah. So here we are, we're gonna get our train again, S21 or S1 I believe. Or is it S25? And then we're gonna head back. Here we are, let's go. Right, I think the S is this way. Yeah, S is this way. Yeah, it's S1, S2, S25 and S26. So that's what's going to take us back to our hotel. So we came this way, Brandenburg Tower. We went this way, we came off here. So now we gotta get a train this way, the opposite direction. To head back. Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna show you a bit of how things looks like in a train in here in Berlin. So yeah, let's wait for it. It's about what? 2 minutes and 5 minutes. It's not a long wait, guys. It's always trains available. Guys, I think we only got one stop. if I'm in the right train. So we only got one stop if I'm in the right train. If I'm in the wrong train, then yeah, it's a one stop. So the next stop we're coming off. So we're coming off. It's only one stop. So these are the trains in Berlin. We've got different trains. They're all named in the alphabetic order. This is the S train. So we end up getting the S25. We get the S1, S2, S21, S25. So yeah. So now we are in our stop, so we're just gonna walk up and then head back to our hotel, or maybe head back and get some food. I'm starving now, actually starving. Wow, croissant. It's double the price in here. So I bought that for like €3.20 or €3.50 on the Checkpoint Charlie earlier, and it's like £6, €6 something in there. Here, here, you just get in through the excavators and go up. It's a bit warm, guys. It's actually warm. So can you imagine? 48 hours. I just keep finding my way through, man. Not getting lost or anything. Doing well, innit? So, oh, you gotta come out, innit? So let's come out. Let's go. Wow. Did really well, guys. Finding our way around in Berlin for a first timer. The first timer in Berlin, finding your way around. We did really well, guys. Really, really well. So now we are just gonna come off. We're just gonna show you around, maybe. Let's take a bit tour. Take your tour around, and then we can walk out. Busy in here, Berlin, for this track. I think when I'm going to the airport, this is the way I need to get to the airport. It's a big station. Right. Busy, big. So just show you around a bit, and then yeah, there's the airport there. I could use the S9. So basically, when I'm going back or coming to the airport, I could just come and get the S9. Flogen Bar airport, as you can see. Wow, so that's it. I'll just come up here, get my train. S9 to the airport. Okay. See if they got an information desk here to find out what time the trains are until for the airport. But it's hardly no one here though, that's the thing. I've not seen any train conductor or anything. There's someone there with a high vis. Is it a cleaner? Oh yeah, it's a cleaner. He can't give me information I needed. So maybe guys, people that are in the coffee shop, they can tell. The cleaner can speak English, maybe it will help. But let me ask these people here. So actually guys, I can get information downstairs. I just want to know what time the trains are running till, because my flight is early morning. My flight is early morning, so, and it's actually saying here S1. S1 goes to the airport. S9, sorry, S9. Let me take a picture of it, then at least we'll try and remember. S9 goes to the airport. So because my flight is early morning, so let's see where the information desk is, just to find out what time the trains are running till. That's not bad here. There's some in there. 20. Guys, I just went up to the supermarket and the information desk, so we're safe. So we need the S6, S26. Oh no, that's the wrong way. So we need the S26. Let's get the S26 to our hotel, then we can chill. So my train is 2:48, and it's only half an hour to the airport. That's good. So guys, if you're thinking of coming to Berlin, so you can get a train straight from the airport to here. Had I known, I should have just got the train straight to my hotel instead of the stress and fuss. But yeah, it is what it is. You live on land. That's a bit low for me, you know. I hope I don't bang my head. So we live on land. So I just need one stop from here, and I'm right to my hotel. So go and chill. So we gotta wait for the train here, and then we're good. So stay tuned. I'll show you around to my hotel. So in 48 hours I know my way. It's all good. I'm proud of myself. It's supposed to be we are. I'm gonna get either one of the S's. So Oranienburg. That's why I need to stop. That's the S1. In 4 minutes. So it's all good. We are here. Only one stop. Not long. I'm tired now. I'll have a shower, get something to eat and chill.